let's create a pulse gust in Aloftly. From your dashboard, click Pulse Gust under Quick Start. You can build your poll manually or generate one instantly using AI. Click the sparkle icon, enter your topic, poll questions, or feedback prompts, and select Generate. In seconds, Aloftly creates a complete pulse gust, including questions and response options. You can edit any question, adjust response choices, or add new prompts at any time. When you're ready, click Open Session Lobby. The presentation view displays a QR code and join code. Participants can join by scanning the QR code or entering the code at aloftly.io/join on their device. As participants join, their names appear in real time. You can monitor activity from the host control panel. When you're ready to begin, click Start Session. In the host control panel, you will see the first question in your pulse gust. To present it to your participants, click Open Question. Participants can now submit their feedback or responses. Open response questions can display as a live word cloud, helping you instantly see the most common themes. You control the pace of the session and decide when to close responses. Once responses are in, you can reveal the results instantly, or move directly to the next question. At any time, you can display the results view to show live audience sentiment. This is optional and works for both interactive and open response questions. When the session is complete, click End Session. You can immediately review results, including participant responses and overall sentiment. Pulse Gust makes it easy to run live polls, collect feedback, and capture audience insight in real time. For more assistance and a full overview, please visit help.aloftly.io.